Welcome to an Iboco product demonstration video. In this edition, we are going to focus on the removal of wire duct fingers. Amongst our large inventory of panel building materials, Iboco specializes in slotted or finger duct. The slotted duct is a popular attribute in wire duct, as the fingers provide structure for wire support, yet can be easily removed to provide space for wires stemming to components on DIN rail, like PLCs and circuit breakers. Fingers can be easily removed by simply bending outwards. Our T1 Legacy line is designed to break at 45 degrees. They can also be removed by using a tool for personal preference. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos to learn about how Iboco can help you build a smarter panel.